Welcome to my channel. Let's get straight to the point. Rice is an essential cereal found in many homes, serving as a staple food in numerous cultures, particularly in Asia. In the realm of esotericism, rice plays a significant role, especially in various rituals. It is considered the symbol of abundance, wealth, and prosperity. Rice is known for its unique ability to absorb water and negative energies. According to popular belief, rice is used to ward off evil spirits and negative vibes, paving the way for prosperity and abundance. But before we dive into the rice ritual, I'd like to ask you to click on the red subscribe button and activate the notification bell. This way, you'll receive valuable information that can greatly benefit you. Now, let's proceed with the steps to perform the rice ritual aimed at attracting money into your life. Here's what you'll need: a glass jar with a lid, rice of any type, 5 coins of any denomination that are in circulation in your country. If your country doesn't have coins, you can use low denomination bills. Now, let's begin. Take a deep breath and exhale into the jar, allowing the moisture from your breath to fog up the inside. This step imbues the jar with your energy and essence. Place your hand inside and rotate the jar 3 times, ensuring you continue turning it. Check your hand. If it becomes moist, it signifies that it has absorbed your power and essence. Next steps. 4. Create a small layer of rice, filling about 1/3 of the jar. Level it by tapping it gently. Place the 5 coins inside the jar, ensuring they remain standing upright. Rotate the jar to keep the coins in place. Add another layer of rice to cover the coins, leveling it as before. Now, recite the following prayer while touching the lid with your fingers. May money come swiftly, finding me in my daily life and during my moments of rest. Let this spell act as a strong, generous, and unbreakable magnet to bring wealth into my life. I implore you, sir, to grant me fortune and the joy of its abundance. Thank you, so be it. Place the jar in a secret location where no one can see or touch it, and leave it there for 30 days. Afterward, remove the coins, discard the rice, and bury the jar. You can keep the coins as a symbol of your ritual. If you perform this ritual with faith, you can expect abundance to enter your life. That's all for today, my friends. Don't forget to share this video on your social networks, and if you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. See you soon. Type I am powerful in the comments. Continue learning. Watch this video now.